Up guys, iMAT here, and today we have the first Samsung Watch Ultra replica by Wearfit. It's the HK28 Ultra smartwatch. A lot of you have been requesting a full review on it. First of all, if you look at the contents inside the box, we get the user manual, we get two straps choices, and a USB-A wireless charger. In this video, we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features, but before we start, if you're new to the channel, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. There are two color options available. First of all, we have the black color, which seems to replicate the titanium grey color, and then we have this silver color, which seems to be a mixture of the titanium white and the titanium silver. So in my opinion, the titanium grey has a better resemblance with the original. The smartwatch can also use the Samsung Watch Ultra case, and it perfectly fits it. All of the buttons and the holes are on the same location as the Samsung Watch Ultra. It comes with a metallic frame, and on the back side we have a plastic case. We get three buttons here. The sports mode button, then the back key or the key you can use to access the menu. You can also use it as a crown key, and the lower button can be used to access ChatGPT. We have two straps options for both of the smartwatches, and it is also compatible with the original Samsung Watch Ultra straps, and it also has working strap locks at the back, because of which the straps won't come out until you press this button and then push the straps out. Here's how the smartwatch looks on the wrist. Which color would you go for? In my opinion, the black color is looking better. Let me know about your opinion in the comments. On the top we get an AMOLED display, because of which the overall saturation of the colors is really good. As you can see here that all of the colors are really saturated, and you can also judge the refresh rate by the transitions. And if you check out the torch application, then here is a look at the screen size. Excluding the external bezels, it is using a full screen display. If we talk about the overall system, it looks quite good, but it's not similar to the operating system of the Samsung Watch Ultra. Just like the Huawei Watch and the other Samsung Watch replicas by Wearfit, this one also uses icons similar to watchOS, which literally makes no sense. It also comes with several other menu styles. You can double click the crown key to switch between them, and it also gets this new football menu style, and here's how it looks like. For ease of use, I always prefer the list view. Then on the home screen, we get the control center. There are a lot of options given here. Here we have the notification center, and then we have the split screen, and here we have the quick access applications, and it is given a new style now. And whichever one you want to open, just tap on it and it's going to open like this. You can double click the crown key to access the app history here. If we talk about the watch faces, this is something which has not impressed me at all. It only comes with 4 built-in watch faces inside it. They are neither themed nor interactive, and other than that, you can only install one watch face from the dial market or your gallery. You can use the Wearfit Pro application to install more watch faces. Here is the theme market. Most of the watch faces you will see here are paid, so you will either have to activate the membership to get access to all of them, or you will have to purchase each of the paid watch face you like for 99 cents. You can also scroll all the way down to access the free dial section. Even though all of the watch faces available here are totally free, but to be honest, I do not like the watch face collection for this model. To install your own picture from the gallery, you can go to customize, and here select album dial, and after choosing the picture you can scroll down and customize the clock color and position. And now if we talk about the screen time, then the HK28 Ultra has a maximum time of 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds of inactivity the display is going to turn off. Fortunate enough, it also comes with the bright screen mode option, and if you use this option, you can use the 20-minute option, which can keep the watch face turned on for 20 minutes on the watch face or whichever screen it is on. It also comes with the AOD always on mode, which is the always on display. You can either schedule it or turn it on for the whole day. It comes with two always on display styles. If you're using a watch face with digital clock, then it is going to show digital screen of dial, and if you're using a watch face with pointer clock, then it is going to show the pointer screen of dial. As I told you earlier, the screen of dial can stay on for the whole day until the battery runs out. Talking about the gestures, we have the raise to wake gesture to wake up the display, and the palm gesture to turn off the display. Talking about connectivity, it comes with Bluetooth, which can be used to connect it with the Wearfit Pro application. Unfortunately, it comes with in-app ads, which can be a really annoying experience for the user. Using the application, you can receive push notifications on it. And here we also get the other option, which means even if an application isn't listed here, it can still send you the notifications for it. So here's how a new notification is shown. We have a banner prompt here, and it has automatic scrolling in the notification. Unlike the other HK models, this one does not support emojis. And from the control center, you can also enable Bluetooth calling. Then you can access the phone application and dial any number directly from the smartwatch. And not just that, you can also receive Bluetooth calls directly on it. Using Bluetooth calling, it also allows you to access the voice assistant directly on the smartwatch. How's the weather today?
Expect some clear skies today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 18 degrees.
And as you can see that the volume level is quite good and the voice is also clear to be heard properly. Then we get the taking pictures option, which also shows a live preview of the camera on the smartwatch, and the speed is not bad considering it is using Bluetooth to show the live preview. Then you can also add pictures in the smartwatch. As far as I have checked, it allows you to add only 4 pictures in it, and you can select any picture and tap here, then tap on set as watch face, and then it is going to set that picture as the custom watch face on your smartwatch. You can also use the smartwatch as an NFC access card to unlock doors, and as far as I have checked, it can also be used as an NFC tag. The smartwatch comes with heart rate, blood pressure, blood sugar, blood oxygen, and the pressure checker. And if you do a quick oximeter test, then the values on both of the devices are quite similar. The value rises on the smartwatch as it rises on the oximeter, and when the value goes down on the oximeter, it also goes down on the smartwatch, which makes me believe that the sensors are real and the smartwatch has passed the oximeter test. But if you have a serious condition, I would never recommend these smartwatches. To get the accurate results, I will always recommend you to go with the real health gadgets like an oximeter or the blood pressure checker. Also, if you are using these smartwatches, I would only trust the blood oxygen or the heart rate checker. Almost all of the other applications show data for reference purposes only. Other than that, we also get the sleep tracker inside it. It measures the sleep data according to the pedometer, and if you are not taking steps at night, then it's going to consider that you are sleeping. We also get the MET data here, then we have the sport record or the pedometer tracker here, and we also get a lot of sport modes in the smartwatch. Another thing that I really like is that you can tap on the dots here, and then you can customize the distance, time, and the calories target, or you can start without any target. After running a 3 seconds timer, it is going to start it. You can also control the media playing on the device while the sport mode is running. So I did a quick sports mode test. First of all, let me take off the smartwatch. So I took a quick walk around the house, and in 4 minutes I walked 285 steps, as you can see here. So do remember that we have 285 steps here. I'm going to end it. If I talk about my iPhone, it was previously showing 238 steps for the day, and after the walk, now it is showing 491 steps, and it has noted 253 steps. So there is a difference of 30 steps. It was just a casual walk around the house, and the results might vary when walking or running outside. After connecting with the watch application, you can also access ChatGPT on the smartwatch. You can tap on click to ask me anything, and then you will have to say your question, and once done, just tap on finish, and then it is going to answer the question. You can also find the full answer in the Wayfit Pro application. And do remember that your smartphone needs to be connected with a good internet connection for it to work. Then you can also control the media playing on the device using the smartwatch. The good thing is that it won't shift the sound from the smartphone to the smartwatch. If it is shifting the sound, then just tap on this icon to shift it back to the smartphone. Using the watch application, it can also sync the weather updates to the smartwatch. Using the wallet application, it can also store QR codes of the payment application. And using the business card application, you can store QR codes of the social applications. Other than that, you can also set a timer. We have some predefined times here. Let's set a timer for 1 second, and when the timer ends, it only vibrates, but it does not ring. The vibration lasts for 3 to 4 seconds and is good enough to let you know that the timer has ended. Here we have calculator with the basic functionalities like multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. You can also use stopwatch on it. You can tap here to add laps, but unfortunately it is only going to save the last 3 laps. And as far as I have checked, it can also run in the background, which is a great option. Here we have calendar. You can also access the calendar for the upcoming and the previous months. You can also add alarms directly in the smartwatch. Let's go ahead and set an alarm. You can also select the days if you want to repeat it. Here's how the alarm is shown. It rings as well as vibrates. Here we have the close and the snooze option. And once again, even though it's a Samsung Watch Ultra clone, but it is using the iPhone ringtone. And here it also has the option to turn on health reminders. We have sedentary, drink water, and many other reminders given here. In the end, talking about battery, it comes with a battery capacity of 260 mAh. It is not a lot in my opinion. I've been working on this video for about 2 hours now, in which I've continuously interacted with the smartwatch for about 40 to 45 minutes, in which it has gone down from 60% to 30%, losing around 30% of the battery, which is a lot. But as far as I have checked, with the always on display, the battery timing is good and it can give you at least 2 days of battery life with the screen of dial enabled. So guys, this will be all from today's video and from the HK28 Ultra smartwatch. In my opinion, looking at the body, it's a quite good replica. I really like the accessories too, but the system UI does not look anywhere near the Samsung Watch Ultra. Other than that, overall it's a quite good smartwatch. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the smartwatch. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the future videos. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.